Siyakuhlula isingesi. Mkhwanazi wanted the attention of Parliament, and the ad hoc committee is made specifically for that. It's only logical that Mkhwanazi be summoned to the committee. First of all, awazi ukuthi Mkhwanazi ungani enza i-press briefing. Namfuthi angazi. Mina mfowethu, I only post something that has happened. Ukuthi ke lento yenzeke ngasiphi isizathu angibe ngisangena lapho. Ngibe sengiyaspekulate ke afterwards, as you are speculating as well. Esingisi awubeke eceleni umfowethu le esingisi le ibeke eceleni namasimba lawo. Esingisi amasimba kokusiza ukwazi isingisi wena mhlato wakho. Lapha umkhwanazi akasona isiphuphu. Futhi wena akucabanga ukuthi wena uhlakanipha ukudlula umkhwanazi, ukuthi wena ungatshela umkhwanazi ukuthi akayi lapha yakho kule ad hoc committee. Uyazi umkhwanazi ukuthi kungane engafuni ukuya lapha yakho. Wena ke uyingane kumkhwanazi wena ukuthi wena ungatshela umkhwanazi wena ukuthi akayi lapha. Uyazi ukuthi kwenzelani. Ngaye ungitshela ukuthi ungavula i-commission wena. Uya investigate. Kukhona abantu asebevele besejele kuyimanje, who are facing prosecution. Uthi usavula i-commission wena. Awubona ukuthi you are trying to delay something here. Nina novuka kudala nini. Ingakho umkhwanazi engafuni kala. Igebengu vele ayifuna umkhwanazi sezisejele iningi lazo. And some of them basazoya ejele. Usalokho becollecta nje neteam yakhe. Bayamphazamisa laba. And futhi uzoba for office ke kudala uzobatshela for off nini. Lokho ningibizela ngiphazamisa. I'm busy here doing my job. Yeah. Phuma kumkhwanazi wena. Phuma.